It's really amazing to think that people have been watching you closely, noticing everything you do, and now they're ready to make their move. Can you feel how important this is? It's not just a random thing that you're here right now. The universe has set this moment up for you because you need to hear what's coming. There's been a shift in the spiritual world, one you might not have seen yet. Someone with a lot of influence, or maybe a whole group, has been talking about you. These talks are going to change the way your life goes. They're paying attention to you because there's something special about you, something that could change the world in ways you haven't even thought of yet. Picture this: you're on a stage under a bright spotlight, while others are in the dark, watching you, taking notes, and making big decisions that will soon shake up your life. The people we're talking about are really powerful, more than you might think. They usually have a say in big things most of us just watch from the sidelines. But now they're looking at you. Why? Because you have something, maybe a spark or a special way about you, that pulls them in. God wants you to know that this attention is all part of a bigger plan, one that fits perfectly with your true calling. Even though it might feel scary, this spotlight is meant to lift you up and let the best parts of you shine. These important people have been thinking and talking it over, and they all agree you have something valuable. They've set up a path for you, a door that you're meant to walk through. What will you do? The choice is yours. This chance is more than just luck, it's what you're meant to do. Something deep inside you knows it's right. Don't let fear stop you. If you've ever felt like you were meant for more, this is your sign. God is clearing the way for you to take on a role you might not have seen for yourself, but one you're totally ready for. Go ahead with bravery and believe in yourself, because this path will not only change your life but also touch others. Keep in mind, though, not everyone will be happy to see you succeed. There might be people close to you who say they support you, but when your moment to shine comes, they might show their true colors. Jealousy, fear, and doubts can stop others from being happy for you. The message for you here is to be watchful but not let their doubts throw you off your path. God has given you a unique mission, one that only you are equipped to fulfill. Throughout your journey, you'll encounter those who may doubt you or even try to sway you away with their negativity. These individuals are merely obstacles that will hone and sharpen your resolve as you progress. It's important to remember that not everyone who starts this journey with you will be there at its conclusion. Therefore, it's crucial to choose your path wisely and commit to it fully. At this very moment, significant decisions about your future are underway. A powerful person or organization has taken a keen interest in you. They are observing your every move with great attention and intent. The choices they make in the coming days will have a profound impact on your life, potentially placing you in completely new situations that will unfold rapidly. This message is here to prepare you for these imminent changes. Do not fear the unknown. God has not brought you this far only to abandon you. Instead, He is guiding you towards a major breakthrough. While the purpose of this may not be immediately apparent, soon everything will make sense. Hold fast, remain stable, and brace yourself for an event that will transform your life. This message is particularly significant because it addresses the doubts you've experienced, those moments when you questioned your worthiness for greatness. Let this serve as a confirmation you are indeed deserving of all the incredible things that are about to come your way. What's wonderful is that you don't need to conform to any specific ideal or change your inherent qualities to receive what's destined for you. Your unique strengths, and even your imperfections, have drawn the attention of those who recognize your potential and are ready to invest in your future. Moreover, as you stand on the brink of this new chapter, understand that the unfolding events are perfectly aligned with your personal growth and spiritual development. The universe has intricately arranged every encounter and challenge to bring you closer to your true purpose. Each step you take is part of a larger, divine plan crafted specifically for you. Embrace this journey with an open heart and a clear mind. Maintain your focus and use your energy wisely. The path will not always be smooth. There will be trials and tribulations. However, these are not meant to break you, but to build you into the person you are meant to become. The resilience you develop will be a testament to your strength and dedication. As you navigate through these changes, remember to stay connected to your core values and beliefs. They will serve as your compass in times of uncertainty. Lean on your faith and the support of those who genuinely care for you. This network of support is invaluable, as it provides encouragement and wisdom to bolster you in moments of need. It's also vital to keep an open mind and be adaptable to the opportunities that present themselves, no matter how unexpected they may seem. Sometimes the most rewarding experiences come from the most surprising places. Your ability to adapt and embrace these opportunities will play a crucial role in your overall success and fulfillment. Additionally, this period of transformation is an excellent time for self-reflection. Consider the lessons you've learned thus far and how they can be applied to future scenarios. Reflect on your achievements and the obstacles you've overcome. This introspection will enrich your understanding of yourself and your capabilities, enhancing your confidence as you move forward. Prepare to step into your new role with enthusiasm and confidence. This isn't just a change, it's an ascension to higher responsibilities and new achievements. You're not just going to meet expectations, you're going to exceed them and set new standards for yourself. Lastly, always carry with you the knowledge that God's timing is impeccable. Every moment of your life has been leading up to this point, and every moment that follows is part of a grander plan you are yet to fully comprehend. Trust in this process, for it is tailored specifically for you by divine design. Your journey is unique, and so is your destiny. Embrace it with courage and a willing heart, and watch as the world unfolds before you in ways you never imagined possible. Let go of any negative voices. Embrace the good that's coming, and know that you are perfectly positioned for this next phase. As God prepares you for greatness, be cautious. Not everyone close to you has your best interests at heart. Some might seem supportive but actually wish for your downfall, like a wolf in sheep's clothing. Be vigilant. Everything that has happened to you, all the good times and tough times, has gotten you ready for right now. Even if it seemed random or tough, it was all leading you to this important time where you're set to start something new. Believe that God's timing is just right. This message is here to tell you it's time to go for it with the opportunities and good things coming your way. There's no need to hurry or wait, just let things happen as they should, knowing everything is lining up just when you need it. I trust the timing to claim this message. God's plan for you is way bigger and better than anything you could plan yourself. The chances coming up might look a bit odd or surprising, but keep an open mind. You're being led to something amazing, something better than you've ever dreamed of. Drop any strict plans and just let life unfold. Keep your heart open and be ready to welcome all kinds of good things, even if they seem tricky or come unexpectedly. I am open to blessings to claim this message as you keep going. Remember, you're not alone. God, your angels and guides are with you, keeping you safe and helping you every step of the way. They know the tough spots ahead and are already making things easier for you. They care about your safety and doing well. This message is to remind you that you're safe. Even if hard times come, you have what it takes to get through. Stand strong with this knowledge. I am protected to claim this message. Lastly, let this be a call to keep your faith. The road ahead might not be easy, but it will be worth it. The important people watching you might bring challenges, but they'll also bring big opportunities. Trust in the journey, in God's plan, and in your ability to handle whatever comes. Believe in the power of this moment and the messages you've received today. Know that you are guided, loved, and meant for something truly special. My dear viewers, show your support by giving a super thanks up to $20.